back with another J.Winner episode. It's another one of Happy Home Paradise featuring your favorite character, Raymond's cat. I've already made a home for him, but you can edit homes in Happy Home Paradise. However, I just started up the game, so let's get to work. Button mashing A. Here. Is this a sign that tonight's a shooting star day? Dude, it's an easy way to grind ones. You can probably guess which hemisphere I'm in because of what I saw that, but it was kind of sudden. Oh man! Woo! I think I almost crashed into a couple things back there. Let's head to Doe Airlines. Sometime I'll show you a bit more around my island. Someday. I want to go to work. Now, if you had watched the Animal Crossing Direct first, you see this and you're like, and then you're like, you think I want to work with these two? well, you'll learn that it's not you working with these two. Even though, do you notice my outfit is not in the Paradise Playing one? So I want to mention that. So, do you remember Quinn, the guy who did all the videos before I joined in? Well, it's his birthday in a few days. It's 13th of January, so his birthday's on the 15th. Happy birthday to him, right? Ooh, it's been forever since I've been here. But let's get to work. I'm ready to work. Oh, I also changed my outfit sometime in between episodes. That's why I kind of look all snazzy. But I guess it's fit for Raymond's cat. I didn't even prep for this earlier. I just now had the idea to remodel his home. But Raymond's living in the lap of luxury, since he's the most famous islander, other than Judy and Rudy. I want to visit home. Isn't Nico that cute? Okay, phones. Phone not funny. Whee. Okay. Some of these I did not do. Oh, there's Raymond's cat. Yo. Ba-da-ba-dunk-dunk. You see how many people I've done without. Hey, Caesar. Yo, Scoot. A couple guys from the past episodes. And White Chev. So 2 homes before that, counting Raymond's and counting Goldie's, I made a shop for Raymond. Okay, well, before we edit, we're going to do something. Yeah, before we edit, we're going to give you a tour. I don't know where Raymond Cat is. He must be inside. Oh, there he is. Yo, Raymond's cat. Let me, I'm gonna get us a picture with him. Handheld. Let's see. Hey, I'm whistling. Yo, get over here. I'm whistling at you. Oh, come on. We'll have an easier time inside. Look at these beautiful lights. And it's kind of like a Tokyo shop, admittedly. Oh man, I have no umbrella. Now let me tour you a bit on the inside. Like introducing him to his luxury hotel? Nah. So I made a pretty good use of the pillars just to fill out that space. Pretty pro. It's kind of like a Walmart, don't you think? Like, or even like a Target. It's like that clothing shop part. Into each of those stores, there are like 2 cashiers. There's the money. There's the bells. A bunch of ironing sets. A bunch of food items. Don't spill. And, oh man, I just turned on the ironing. What's that noise? Admittedly, what is that noise? What did I choose? Which one's the listening ears? There we go. What's that noise? Dun, 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 dun. And new packages for new items. I think this area, this higher floor, was like the business talking room, kind of like the board meeting room. No, it's the mobile order room. All these activated screens. Hey, whose seat was here, and why do they lazy on the jobby? Okay, let's talk to D. Oh, is this a common floor? Cork flooring. That's funny, confusing. I think he's a smug type. Leave it all to me. If I ever find Judy, I'm gonna make them roommates and edit. Also, I'm gonna do it on camera. All right, let's start off with the lower floor. Okay, red carpet. Oh. I know what to theme this place, so. Well, what I should start off with is eating everything that's already here. Whoops, wrong side. Remodel plan. I don't know why I chose storm. Oh, this makes sense on the outside. You know, Raymond's living in the lap of luxury, him being the most famous, so we're going to make him actually live in the lap of luxury. Normal roof. Okay. Let's start off with the wallpaper and flooring. Bamboo screen? Oh, he's a good fan. By hallway for like dark cloud. Oh no! Concrete. That's even worse. Paintball. Uh-oh. Restaurant. Ooh, that's pretty luxurious. Bathroom walls. No. You do that for Lionel. Alright, playing wall. Ooh, that's pretty luxurious. There's gold in they say there's gold in these walls. artsy parquet flooring? That's gonna put the brakes on. It's like his perfect villa. Oh yeah, I should probably also work on the outsides. I'll do that after working on this room. Misclick! Or somewhat a misclick. Oh, the gold screen, eh? And there we go. Paradise planning. Don't forget to press X. Gold screen. Woodland. Moss forest. Forest wall. Moss ruins. Graveyard. Ooh, spooky. You'd have to use that on Muffy, though. Only on Muffy, though. It's like his perfect villa. It's like... There's no room for failure when it comes to Raymond Cat. Isn't that right for most of you Animal Crossing players? Blue stripes. That looks so good. Hey, look, it seems he approves. Oh, yeah. He approves so much. That's like the song you associate with Raymond Cat sometimes. At least some of you do. Please don't mind that noise. The water I drink on a bit on each episode had fallen over, but I picked it back up. Rain Cat living in the lap of luxury. Most people most people probably live stream them getting the Raymond Cat. He's not on my island. He's here. He's just on the Paradise Planning area. Oh, Professor Oak. Yo, cool table. Silver frame and blue tabletop. It may not as luxurious as you may think, but it goes a bit with the fencing. He's living in the pure lap of luxury. I know I've already mentioned that several times, but it's just... Isn't that voice familiar for you? Or rather, us? You're probably gonna recognize that voice if you're like good old some of the people from the channel who have like watched any of the older videos that were like before any of these gameplay videos. You may have recognized that voice, yeah. Here. Yo, pure lap of luxury for this guy. I really have no room for failure. Absolutely none. Oh, a file cabinet. What? Silver is the best I can go on this. if you played this game, was Raymond one of your first characters? If so, then wow. You were one of the few people who had so little and a big amount of characters. The upstairs will not be a bathroom. Okay, maybe it will be because the bathtub square. May not. No trash cans for this guy. Wow, he's Rand Cat. Most Animal Crossing players are his biggest fan. Gold. Gray is stony and broken. Gold. Yeah! Pure gold on the elaborate display case. No. Yeah. Raymond song. You know the lyrics. I don't. Well, some of you may know the lyrics. That's the musical track I can go with in this room. There's such a big area that has nothing in it. May I'll give him a synth. A gold. Okay, we got silver to work with. I'm gonna make him play synth to the tune of Bubblegum KK. I'll change the track after you listen to him synth and play Bubblegum KK. Yeah, I was like Pokemon team. KK Break. I'm actually not a big fan of KK Break. Well, at least the cover. I'm a bigger fan of the music than I am the cover. This is like my second favorite, or at least it was. Now it's my third favorite. It's like Fly the Condor. This was my first favorite, but that's my second. And this is my favorite, as I may have mentioned before. Dude, I think Ink Bubblegum KK is now going to be number two in the rank of these songs because of how good KK Robot Synth is. It's like a reference to Mega Man somewhat. Maybe. It would be a crime not to have Bubblegum KK playing in at least one room of Raymond's house. You barely hear the synth, can you? And he got to sing his own song. What if this isn't the first time I've heard that? Or like every single gyro too. I've only caught like one gyroid. Do you notice how this special guy does not look as good with any other glasses in the bomber than it looks at with any other? Wait, now I can wear the Paradise Planning outfits? Why is that flashing new? No. A straw boater is a Paradise Planning boater worn by the lady in the trailer. What? Look how good he looks with those. And then now. Yo, his eyes are so big. Only those glasses look good on. Which one you can play? The middle of the room is somewhat empty. It's also empty, so maybe we can place. If only we had a statue of him. Gold variation. Oh, come on. Oh, you can work with the white. It has a bit of gold. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It's a Raymond cat. This will make it a home for him. Keep playing. I made a home for Francine and Chrissy too, the cover girls for this song. This VIP song. The Raymond cut. I don't have the golden crown. I don't know on my island, let alone the Curtis Planning Island. Or do I? I don't think I do. I think I don't. I don't have it. That flower. Got me home. And then Shallow Nick Cap, my second one, I think. Yeah, sombrero. Oh, yes. Chip sombrero. That's something you heard of, right? A chip sombrero. Oh, yes. That's a little note to stop at. It's like the superstar of Team Blue. It's like his most prized possession. Okay, let's do the outside real quick. Oh man, that's so long. 23, and we hadn't even started on the higher floor. I know if we're gonna be able to finish this within 3 minutes. Well, let's do this. Whoa, that's so weird. Okay, it appears that the fences did not go. We'll leave the house like that. Raymond cat. Yeah, boy. Yeah, la, la. Oh, there we are. Medieval building side. Use this and you got your own fake town island in a split sec. Or at least you got it easy. It's like no effort. Only the best for Raymond cat, right? Raymond cat. Who's not his fan? All rivaling business companies. That's who. It's like Bogo. KK Castle? Nah. Wow. Oops. I think I chose the wrong thing. Don't look at too many of these custom designs. So I'm gonna just do my work. Bed. Wait a second, that's a different custom design. Oops, wrong button. It's like don't press the red button, which I exactly did. It's not bed. It's custom design wasn't tile. Wow, that's an X. X marks the spot, right? Yo, ho. The best for Raymond cat. Yeah. The Raymond cat. Dude, only the best for him. This game didn't have Raymond cat. I know what it would be. Yeah, at least some may say that. Whoa, there's one off coordinates. Thanks, lightning. Their lightning's an advantage. Brick staircase? Wow. That may just be part of the... That may help me make my dream island. This little background. But do. Ding dong. I don't have a poggers for me, like some other YouTubers do. Maybe at least one does. One of the ones. Never mind. Okay, that outside was a bit quick. Now, climax of this villa made the roof. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna want to use a bit of... I'm gonna want to use a, what's it called again? I'm gonna want to use an accent wall on here. Like I used in the... bomb floor. Sorry for the, awkward little stop second. I need to make sense of it being a bit rainy right now. Underwater? Nah. Oh, starry sky! Okay, let's make that roof beat it. Or at least that one thing. I think I should. Do you think I should have put a little roof decoration on the bottom floor? Well, we'll skip that since we're trying to do this quickly. Or at least I will, since I'm trying to do this quickly. Oh, there's a golden variation for a short, simple panel. Max speed. Go. As go as you can. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. The crocodile that helped him had actually eaten him. Just because you can run as fast as you can doesn't mean you can't catch him, even though he's a gingerbread man. Huh? Whoops! I don't know how that happened. Actually, I do. I made a mistake. Huge mistake. No, maybe not that huge. Those windows are kind of disturbing. Isn't those windows being, well, how they look? It's kind of disturbing, right? Pure white. Ring room? The OR is okay. Is it no OR in there? There's a power. And then suddenly a mirror that gave out superpowers falls. That's like, isn't that like the classic thing for like that most shows use? Yo, telescope! Oh, whoops! You gotta see the moon, Raymond cat. There's no moon wall item, but there is a floor after the moon, and it is actually floating, just like that asteroid. Ivory, silver. Ooh, light blue, eh? Silver. Sticker none. Well, if you're a Raymond cat, you gotta have a scooter to make your presence known. Superhero presence, cause like he's the most famous. Anyways, manhole cover. Silver manholes? And he approves. May not as well as. Probably not good for this room. I'm not putting a barbell in here. He may have accidentally dropped it over there, over the thing once, if he actually had one. The purple. Under 30 minutes, fail. Did the screen just go darker? I don't know. That's kind of weird. Or there's a little sign on my Nintendo Switch itches screen. Let me fix that real quick. I think I also accidentally closed the video piece. So I accidentally made a third. I think the best floor to end this off is the bottom floor. But we also gotta take a picture with Raymond Cat the. Whoops! Dude, I polish everything gold if I could. It's us two superstars over here. Okay. Pro camera. Handheld. a pro camera picture because he's gonna be walking around. Does this thing like a drone? Yo, that monochrome film. Oh no! Only the best for Raymond. Such a good picture. Woo! Image cut. Okay, this new one's way better. Look, I'm using the eager emote. It is. It's easily possible. Let's pick a new name. Raymond's Villa, right? Yeah. Could just use the touchscreen, but nah. I'm not recording this using a camera. Whoops. Raymond. I'm not that used to using a Joy-Con from a part, or sometimes I just have lots of typos. Ah, I still got the apostrophe S. Okay. Villa. Ville. Raymond's Ville. Crisp, like Cakey Crisp. Is that actually a song? I don't know if there's a Cakey Crisp. We're not skipping this showcase. Yo, you gotta play tic-tac-toe. Go on that piece of the rug. Yo, Bob to bubblegum cake, like you mean it. Yeah! Yo, I don't expect him to do that. He's too much of a cool cat, even though because of the smug personality. Honestly, that felt a bit short. Bungee jumping and not hang back. I already did a photo shoot. The signature baseball cappy. There's something I gotta do with my Nook Miles. You've got the bug. In Nook Miles, capture Murray. Didn't need to. You guessed it, I have all those apps. All 9 of those apps. Oh, we gotta go and end our job, so I'll tell them that we're ready to go. I'm heading back. What? We're gonna end off the episode. I may do some buildings off screen, but we're gonna see you on the next one. Raymond cat though, right? Let's talk a bit about Raymond's cat. So Raymond's cat has been one of the most famous Islanders, probably because of his businessman looks. I don't really know. That's maybe, and Let's do this up here instead. And where I don't have to see an extra reaction. But yeah. Raymond Cat. That's who we just made a home for. Yep. Guess we're gonna see you on the next one. Maybe we'll continue the Zelda walkthrough. Maybe we'll make another home for another Animal Crossing Islander. I know. But we're seeing you on the next one.